Namaskar my dear friends. Let us talk about integration using trigonometric identities. So there are a lot of trigonometric formulas that we have already seen, so that it will become easy for us to solve questions using trigonometric identities, right? So there are a lot of questions involving trigonometric, like terms like cos square x sin to the power 4x or square root of 10x by sin x into cos x. So it becomes little bit tough to understand how to proceed these kind of questions. Okay, so we'll solve some 10-12 questions so that we can understand a complete understanding of trigonometric identities integrations, right? So let us take some question. So let us say question 1 is integration of cos square x dx. So we know already that 2 cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x. So from this we can find out cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So 1 plus cos 2x by 2 dx, right? Now it is very easy, right? So what we can do? We can do it very easily. You know already that integration of cos x dx is going to be how much? Sin x plus c. Same way integration of cos 2x will become sin x by 2. Okay, so we can do here 1 by 2 times integration of 1 plus cos 2x dx, and 1 by 2, 1 will become x plus cos 2x integration is how much? Sin 2x by 2. So whatever the argument is there here 2x, that 2x by 2 it becomes, right, plus c. So this is your answer. This is of the form of, let's say, cos mx, right, and we used to put mx is equal to t. So what was there? M dx is equal to dt. So in that case, if you solve this one, what will happen? Integration of cos t and dt, right? So dx will become dt divided by m. So that's the reason the constant is coming into picture, which is down. So this will become how much? Sin t by m, and this is going to be sin mx by m. So this is how, whenever you see an additional like a constant in the argument, you have to just do the simple integration divided by that constant wherever it is. Okay, let's take another question. Question 2 is the integration of sin 2x into cos 3x dx. So this is going to be also very easy question. What we can do, this is of the form of, let us say, sin a cos b or sin x cos y, sin x cos y. So instead of that, let us say what we do is, this 3x is bigger than 2x. So what we will do is, we will consider this as a and this as b, or this as x, this as y. Okay, so we can just remove this and put it as cos a sin b. Okay, so you already know that 2 cos a sin b is equal to, what was that? We had sin a plus b minus sin a minus b, where a is your 3x and b is your 2x. Okay, so I can write it down. 2 I have to have additional, so it will become 1 by 2 times integration of sin 2x cos 3x. It will become sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. So what will happen? Sin 3x plus 2x, that is going to be sin 5x. So sin 5x minus sin x dx. So this is so easy. Now you know already that we can do 1 by 2 times integration of sin x is minus cos x. So minus cos 5x by 5, and minus sin x, it will become plus cos x. plus some constant c. So if you simplify that, it is going to be 1 by 2 cos x minus 1 by 10 cos 5x plus some constant c. So this is very simple question. Let us take another question. Question is integration of sine cube x dx. So you already know the formula for sine cube, right? So I had told you what was that, sine 3x. So sine 3x was 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. So from here sine cube x can be very easily written. So what can we do here? We can do that sine cube x, it will become as 3 sine x minus sine 3x divided by 4 dx. So this is the very simplest thing that you can find out, and once you express this into this term, it will be easy to get the integration, right? So I will do the integration now. 1 by 4 of how much it will be, 3 sin x, this will become minus 3 cos x, and then minus 3 sin x, so that will become minus minus plus cos 3x divided by 3 plus some constant c. If you want, you can take the constant inside, so it will become minus 3 by 4 cos x plus 1 by 12 cos 3x plus c. So once you are familiar with these very simple questions, then we can do it easily. Why don't we do one thing? We will solve the same question by one more method. Let us say method 2. So method 2, what it can be? We have sine cube x dx. So can I write it down like integration of sine square x into sine x dx, right? So it will become as integration of sine square x is 1 minus cos square x. You know already that sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So I can write it down, sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. So this is my trigonometric formulas. So we can do that 1 minus cos square x multiplied by sin x dx. Now we have already seen lot of substitutions formulas, right? So what we can do is, let us put cos square x is equal to t, or cos x is equal to t we will put, okay? Cos x equal to t, then it will become minus sin x dx is equal to dt. So from there what we can get now, integration of 1 minus t square, because cos x is t, so cos square x is t square, into sin x dx, it can be put as minus dt, because minus is there, right? Now we have very easily, it can be written as t square minus 1 dt, that can be written as t to the power 3 by 3 minus t plus some constant c. Now we can place t equal to cos x back, so it can become as cos cube x by 3, cos cube x by 3 minus cos x plus some constant c. Okay, so there is two different like solutions that we are getting for the same question. Okay, so this is done, like you got two different answers, so that is also a possibility, because there is anyway integration of constant is there, and using two different methods you can get two different results, so that's not a problem. Let's take another question. Question number, let us say 4. Okay, question is integration of sin 3x into cos 4x. So I am going to make you very easy, like whenever this is like one of them is bigger than another one, then they take the other one as little like a and this one as b. Okay, so I'll take it as 2 cos a sin b. Okay, so that it will be easy for me to solve it. So what will happen, you know already cos a sin b is how much, sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Okay, so using this formula we can solve this. So what will happen, just now I had solved the same questions in the first one, so it will become 1 by 2 times, because 2 is not there, so 2 will go down, right? So 1 by 2 times I will take it as sin 3x cos 4x, so that is cos 4x into sin 3x, so 4 plus 3, that is 7, so it will become sin 7x minus sin x dx. Now can we do it very easily, 1 by 2 times sin 7x, it will become minus of cos 7x by 7 minus this will become minus cos x. So this is going to be like this plus some constant c. Now you will take the 1 by 2 inside, so it will become minus 1 by 14 cos 7x, and then minus minus it will become plus cos x by 2 plus some constant c. Let us take another question. Question is integration of cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. Okay, so you know already that we have formulas like 2 cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x. Okay, so this way we can try to solve this. So what we can do, can we do this one, or one more thing is there, we have, let us say cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. So what is happening is, whenever there is let's say cos 2x, so it will become cos square x minus sin square x. Here it will become half of that. Okay, it is 2x, so it will become x. So if it is cos x, it will become cos x square by 2, cos square x by 2. So I can write it down, my integration as integration of cos x can be written as cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 divided by 1 plus cos x. So 1 plus cos x term from here I can take it, so that will become 1 plus cos 2x was there, so it is 2 cos square x. So now it will become 2 cos square x by 2, 2 cos square x by 2 dx. Okay, now what we can do is we can take this separately, so cos square x will get cancelled, and here sin by cos it will become 10. So I can do that, 1 by 2 I will take out, then it will become 1 minus sin square x by 2 by cos square x by 2 is how much, 10 square x by 2 dx. Okay, and now it is very easy. What we can do, you know already that we have the formula as 10 square x is equal to sec square x minus 1. So can we convert this? 1 by 2 times integration of 1 minus, it will become sec square x by 2 minus 1, right, dx. So this 1 will get cancelled, sorry, 1 will get actually 2x, 2 times 1 plus 1 2, and sec square x by 2 we know already the formulas, right? So we can do that 1 by 2 integration of 2 minus sec square x by 2 dx. Now if we solve this, we are going to get, what is that, 1 by 2 into 2 dx will be 2x minus sec square x, you already know what is that, sec square x integration is 10x, so it will become 10x by 2 divided by 1 by 2, because 1 by 2 is the constant here, right? plus some constant c. If you want, you can solve this. If you want, you can solve this much more simplified version. So 1 by 2 I'll take inside, so it will become x minus 1 by 2 will get cancelled, so it will become just 10x by 2 plus some constant c. So this is your solution. Hope you have now a very good understanding of how to proceed in this kind of questions. Okay, let's take another question. Question is integration of sine to the power 4x dx. So you have a lot of like different kind of formulas like Leibniz rule and all those things, but we are not going to utilize them. We are going to solve these using trigonometric identities. So can we do this like integration of sine square x into sine square x dx? So this will become sine to the power 4x. Now we know already from this one sine square x or 2 sine square x is equal to how much? 1 minus cos 2x. Okay, our cos 2x was 1 minus 2 sine square x. So from there we are going to get this. So we can write it down 1 minus cos 2x by 2 into again 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Alright. So 1 by 4 will come out and integration of we are going to get 1 minus cos 2x whole square. Cos 2x whole square dx. Now we can expand this using algebra. So a minus b whole square. So it will become 1 by 4 into 1 minus cos 2x whole square is 1 plus cos square 2x minus 2 cos 2x. Now we have almost simplified. One more term we can do. So which is not possible? This one, right? So here actually it is cos square 2x. Okay. So what is possibility? We can convert this cos square 2x in terms of 1 plus cos 4x. So it will become 1 by 4 integration of 1 plus cos 4x divided by 2 minus 2 cos 2x. Okay. So now if we want we can directly solve this, or otherwise we can simplify even more. So what we can do now is 1 by 4 integration of 1 plus 1 by 2, that is going to be 3 by 2 plus this will become cos 4x minus 2 cos 2x dx. And if we want we can write down the formulas for these, because this is very easy now. What will happen? 1 by 4 into 3 by 2x plus cos 4x, it will become sin 4x by 4 minus 2 cos 2x, it will become sin 2x by 2 plus some constant c. So whenever like sin x, we know sin x is cos x is sin x, so cos 2x is sin 2x by 2, because 2 is the constant. Okay, if you want you can take this constant inside, so it is going to be final solution, that is 3 by 8x plus sin 4x by 16 minus 2 will get cancelled, so simply sin 2x by 4 plus some constant c. So this is your solution. Okay. All right. Now let us take another question. It's going to be a very simple question. Question is integration of cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha dx. So this is the question. So we have alpha as constant and x is variable. Okay, so can we do this one thing, that we already know that cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. So same formula we can try to put it, right? So cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1 minus, again I can write down 2 cos square alpha minus 1 divided by cos x minus cos alpha dx. Now if you see, this is minus 1 and this is minus minus plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled. So we are going to left up with 2 cos square x minus 2 cos square alpha. 2 I will take common, so it will become cos square x minus cos square alpha. So integration of 2 times cos square x minus cos square alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha dx. And you know already a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. So a minus b is nothing but cos x minus cos alpha. So one of the term will get cancelled. So we will be left up with integration of 2 times cos x minus cos alpha dx. Now it is very easy. We can directly write it down, 2 times sin x minus 2 times sin 2 times cos alpha into x dx. So sorry 2 times cos alpha into x plus some constant c. So you know already now that 2 times cos x minus cos alpha dx is going to be 2 times sin x minus this is constant, so 2 cos alpha is constant into x plus some constant c. Let's take another question. So question is, question number 9. Question is integration of 10 cube 2x, 10 cube of 2x into sec 2x. This is also going to be very simple question. Why? Because we know the trigonometric identities, so according to that we can try to solve them, right? So can we do this one, integration of 10 cube 2x, I can write it as 10 square 2x into sec 2x 10 2x. So I have taken one of the 10 2x outside so that I can make it as sec x 10x kind of thing. Okay, so sec x 10x you already know, right? Now I can write it down, 10 square 2x as can be written as sec square 2x minus 1, because we know already 10 square x is sec square x minus 1. So from there I can write it down as sec square 2x minus 1 into sec 2x 10 2x dx. Now let us try to put the value, put sec 2x is equal to t. Then what will happen? You know already sec 2x differentiation, it will become how much? Sec 2x into 2 and then 2x it will become sec 2x into 10 2x wait a moment, yeah, sec 2x into 10 2x, and then it is going to be 10 2x into 2x, it will become 2. So 2x I have taken out and this will become dt, right? So sec 2x is equal to t, we are going to put 2 times sec 2x into 10 2x dx is equal to dt. So we have sec 2x 10 2x dx here, so it will become divided by 2. So we are going to write it down here now. From the putting, sec square 2x can be written as t square minus 1 into dt by 2. Okay. Now I can write it down 1 by 2 times t square integration is how much? T cube by 3 minus 1 integration is how much? T plus some constant c. I can put that sec 2x back for the value of t. So I can write it down as 1 by 6 times sec cube, this is sec cube 2x minus 1 by 2 times of sec 2x plus c. So this is the solution. Let us take another question. So all these questions are from actually NCERT books, and these are very important one, because once you solve NCERT integration and differentiation, that is more than enough for any levels of questions. Okay, so integration of, we have to find out in this question, cos 2x plus 2 sin square x divided by cos square x dx. Okay, so this is the question that we have. Now what can we do here? We have cos 2x, so cos 2x can be written as cos square x minus sin square x. So I can write it down, cos square x minus sin square x plus 2 sin square x divided by cos square x dx, and this can be again written as cos square x minus sin square x. So this 2 times is there, so I can write it down, cos square x plus sin square x. So it will become cos square x plus sin square x divided by cos square x dx, and you know already cos square x plus sin square x is 1. So 1 by cos square x, it will become how much? Sec square x. Can we write down sec square x directly? So I can write it down here, sec square x dx. Understood? Why? Because cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1, and 1 by cos x is equal to sec x. So cos square x, it will become sec square x. Understood? Now we have the ready formula for sec square x. So integration of sec square x was 10x plus c. So this is very simple question. Okay, just simplification is required to solve this kind of questions. This becomes very tough when you do not understand how to solve this. So solving this is very easy now. Let us take another question. Question is, integration of cos 2x by cos x plus sin x, cos x plus sin x का whole square dx. So what you can do is, you can pause the video and you can try to solve this by yourself, and you can match the solution. Okay, so that also you can do, so that you have a good understanding of how to solve the questions. Okay, so let us solve it very quickly. What we can do, we have cos x plus sin x whole square, so we can solve that using a plus b whole square. So I can write it down as cos 2x divided by cos x plus sin x whole square is how much? Cos square x plus sin square x plus 2 times sin x into cos x. Okay, it is just like a square plus b square plus 2ab kind of thing. Now we know already that we have cos square x plus sin square x as 1, so we can write it down, cos 2x divided by 1 plus we have the formula 2 sin x into cos x is nothing but sin 2x, and we have now cos 2x by 1 plus sin 2x. So this kind of questions I already solved it. Okay, however, we will do like this. Let us put 1 plus sin 2x is equal to t. Then what will happen? We will have sin 2x differentiation is 2 cos 2x dx is equal to dt. Okay, so we can place, at the place of cos 2x, we are going to put dt by 2. So can we do this now? We will have 1 by t into dt by 2. Understood? So by solving this, we are going to get 1 by t is nothing but log t. So 1 by 2 times log of t plus some constant c, and this can be also written as 1 by 2 t. We will replace this with 1 plus sine 2x, so it will become log of 1 plus sine 2x plus some constant c. Okay, so this is how we can put it. Another way, if you want to simplify more, you can simplify more. 1 plus sine 2x, we can write it down as cos x plus sin x ka whole square. So we can write it down as 1 plus 1 by 2 log of, you can see here 1 plus sine 2x we had got from this cos x plus sin x whole square, right? So can I write it down? Cos x plus sin x whole square, right? Now this 1 by 2 can be taken in the power, so that will become 2 got cancelled. So simply it is going to be log of cos x plus sin x ka mod plus some constant c. Okay. So what we are going to achieve here, log of cos x plus sin x. So this looks little easy compared to log of 1 plus sin 2x. Okay, or it is like simplified form of this particular scenario. All right. So we have other questions as well, but we'll do that in our next sessions. So hope you have a good understanding of how to solve integration using trigonometric identities. So please practice and do thumbs up if you are liking these particular solutions and explanations, and do let us know if you have any queries or questions regarding these integration questions. Thank you.